shutter button of the DJI Osmo Action 3 that I had to press it twice to get on. Whew, wow! The camera came on super fast. I got in the back of the bike. You bet. The DRC 2104 Challenger. No camera's going to be on it. I got my Tech in the pocket. And I got my GoPro around my neck. And I got my remote control boat. I'm going to have some fun sharing you what the things can do. Day I want to come down, they blocked the opening. What are they doing? Just putting wood. Here we are. Way down there. I'm not sure if I recorded my whole fun. So I started again. Camera shuts down on me. Gives me the beeps. Beautiful rooster tail, man. That's like 2.5 feet by 4 feet to the back. Let's see if we could do some. Uh-oh. We slow down. That's it. Fun's over. Well, that was fun. My first user error. I forgot to hit the record button because I was worried about the pallets being loaded on the beach and what they're going to be used for. I guess they're just going to be building some type of boardwalk with it. Beautiful sunny day. It is a warm day that you could strip down to just about your t-shirt, but I chose to have some fun, and now I got to go carry my bike and move along. Hope you enjoyed the DRC short run. I ran the battery dry. Have a great day.